the healthiest vegetable, unlocking nature's nutrient powerhouses. We all know eating vegetables is important, but not all veggies are created equal. While some may be nutritionally lacking, others pack a powerful punch of vitamins and minerals. Enter watercress, a leafy green powerhouse that has earned the title of the world's healthiest vegetable. But how did it get this reputation? And what makes it so special? The CDC's Nutrient Density Report. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, released a report ranking vegetables based on their nutrient density. This report assigns scores to each vegetable, with 100 being the highest concentration of essential vitamins and minerals. And the winner is, watercress. Watercress earned a perfect score of 100, making it the ultimate superfood. But what sets it apart from other leafy greens? A unique flavor profile. Watercress belongs to the Brassicaceae family, which includes familiar vegetables like cabbage, kale, and radishes. Its scientific name, Nasturtium officinal, translates to nose twister in Latin, a fitting description of its peppery, pungent flavor. Imagine a cross between arugula and horseradish, and you'll have a sense of what watercress tastes like. A historical staple. Watercress has a rich history, dating back over 3,000 years. It was a staple in ancient Greek, Persian, and Roman diets, and even made an appearance at the first Thanksgiving. Its popularity has endured, with street vendors in Victorian-era London selling it as a snack, calling it poor man's bread. A reliable nutrient source. While some regions consider watercress a weed due to its abundance in moist, temperate environments, it's also a reliable food source. Its steady supply and nutrient-rich profile make it a valuable addition to any diet. Packed with vitamins and minerals. Dr. Amy Lee, head of nutrition for Nucific, highlights watercress's impressive nutritional profile. It's high in vitamin A and potassium, surpassing even lettuce in these areas. But the real surprise comes from its vitamin C content. Watercress contains more vitamin C than an orange, earning it a reputation as a scurvy cure from Captain James Cook. Cooking with watercress. Younger watercress sprouts have a milder flavor and tender stems, making them perfect for raw preparations like salads. Mature watercress, with its intense peppery flavor, benefits from cooking to break down its fibrous stems and make nutrients more bioavailable. Dr. Lee recommends avoiding overcooking to preserve vitamins. Where to find watercress? The only downside? Finding watercress can be challenging. It's not commonly available at regular grocery stores but can be found at specialty markets and places like Whole Foods. If you're lucky enough to find it, experiment with incorporating it into your meals for a nutrient-packed boost. So, the next time you're looking to boost your diet, consider adding watercress to your plate. This ancient vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a unique flavor profile and a wealth of health benefits.